Welcome to Solution Zone. Here you get videos on how to, tricks and tips, facts, answers, and many more. Hit the subscription button so as not to miss out any content from us. If you have a PS4 or even a PS4 Pro, you might wonder how to get better performance out of your system. And while you can't upgrade your PS4 like we upgrade a gaming PC, there are some ways to make sure your PS4 runs at its best. And that's exactly what I will be showing you on this video. For more videos like this about tips, tricks, and solutions, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Let's look at the best and 5 easiest ways to increase your PlayStation speed. We start with solution number 1. Enable boost mode on your PlayStation. If you have a PS4 Pro, there's a setting called boost mode that you should definitely enable for a smoother PS4. This can increase the frame rate and graphical fidelity of games on the system, even if they weren't specifically designed to take advantage of the PS4 Pro's superior hardware. To enable boost mode, head to Settings, click on System on your home screen. Inside this menu, you should see a boost mode option. Simply enable this, and it's ready to go. Solution number 2. Clean up screenshots and recorded videos. Screenshots you take and videos you record are stored on your PS4's internal storage. You may be able to free up some space by managing them. To view your screenshots and videos, head to Settings, click System Storage Management, and click Capture Gallery. To delete all screenshots and videos associated with a specific game, select a game icon, press the Options button on the controller, and select Delete. Doing this should boost the speed of your PlayStation. Solution number 3. Physically clean your PlayStation 4. If you've been using your PS4 for some time, chances are that dust and other grime has built up inside. This can deteriorate performance if left unchecked. With more heat trapped in the system from the debris, the system fans have to work harder, decreasing overall efficiency. Open and clean your dirty PS4 to remove dust from its internals. If you can open it, it's best you take it to an expert to do it for you. This will help your system work at a cooler temperature and thus run games a bit more smoothly. Solution number 4. Install the latest game updates. If you're experiencing poor performance with a particular PlayStation title, it's a good idea to install any existing updates for it. Your PS4 should do this automatically for games you play regularly, but in case your system isn't always online, you can do this manually by pressing the Options button on your controller while highlighting a game on your home screen. Then choose Check for Update. If you've had issues with a game in the past, try this to see if the developers have fixed the problem you had. Solution number 5. Improve your PS4 network performance. We focus mostly on graphical performance and PS4 speed here, but if it seems like playing online games on your PlayStation 4 is not working as it should, you may need to fix network issues on your PlayStation. Good network connection will definitely increase your game speed when playing online. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, give it a thumb up and leave us a comment below.